Well, g'day. Welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. David here, and today we are in for a ride. There's a boating saying that says, when you're out there on the water, one hand for you, one hand for the boat. So I suggest you hang on tight, sheet on, and let's go. We're going to go wing foiling down at Golden Beach with my friends, and then there's another place that I want to show you, a place that I think would be perfect to go for a wing board. So we're going to go and check out that, but first up, let's go and tackle the world's second biggest rock. So we're at the base of Mount Coolum, a bit of a must-do walk. I'm with my sister Anne. We're going to go up and check out the top of Mount Coolum. Mount Coolum is a volcanic dome, or a laccolith, and you get further up, you'll see it's right beside the side of the mountain.
Oh yeah.
It's actually quite steep down, and it contains more than 700 plant types and over 100 species.
And the beach we were at,
Oh,
hello, the beach we were at was still a bit further up, or it was more down here?
Oh,
You know that one we stopped at where those shops were shut and we went out to that boardwalk?
Yeah, so
That's straight down there?
it's just straight down there.
Okay. And this right there, isn't it? And there's the sea, the next round.
Sunshine Beach, there it is.
Yeah, so this is...
It faces sort of the other way.
Yeah, to go around that corner.
Yeah,
So that water inlet right up there.
Lake Biber.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. The 2 kilometre round walk has an elevation of 208 metres, and Anne galloped up that mountain while I puffed and panted behind. The name comes from Gullum, meaning blunt or headless, and it's also said that Old Woman Island is the head of the mountain. It represents the summit. Thanks, mate. The view from the top of Mount Coolum is truly something to behold. The vista stretches from the north and Noosa, way down looking east and Old Woman Island, through to Cotton Tree, down to Caloundra. It also encompasses the airport and the Maroochy River. It really is a sight to behold. So here we are at the top of Mount Coolum. Well, that was epic, and such a good thing to do. They've really done a good job at that walkway, and such a lovely walk, especially early in the morning. I may have mentioned how much I love foiling, and especially at Golden Beach with all my friends, so it's time to bring out the camera and go and have a bit of a sail with them. really want to thank Bluey's Photography for his excellent drone work. It was so good to see it from another angle and really appreciate all of his images. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That'd be totally awesome. Well, with the foiling done and dusted, it was time for me to head north. So I had to go up to Bundaberg to deal with the lockup I've got there. And while I was there on such a beautiful day, I got to check out a beautiful pathway that I thought would be perfect to put on the skateboard and go for a wing. Well, that's it for Wild Goose Adventures for this show. I hope you liked it. I hope you thought it was fun. I certainly enjoyed bringing it to you. We're going to have more coming up soon. But in the meantime, smooth sailing.